GrowthHub365, the business that runs your entire business operations. What if one platform could replace your CRM, your booking system, your email marketing, your landing pages, and your automations, all for one monthly price? Hey, I'm Tech with Bunmi, the AI Translator, day 6 of the 30 days AI challenge. And today I'm walking you through the platform that runs a big chunk of my business, GrowthHub365. What is GrowthUp 365? GrowthUp 365 is an all-in-one business management platform, and I use it because as a solopreneur and small business owner, I cannot afford to have 10 different subscriptions for 10 different tools. GrowthUp 365 does it all. Builds and hosts your funnel and landing pages, manages your contacts and follow-ups, automates your email and SMS campaigns, book appointments for you, track your leads and pipeline. When I first started my business, I was paying for Mailchimp, Calendly, a separate website builder, a CRM. It was chaos. Growth Up 365 simplified everything. Now, my lead capture, my follow-up, my sequence, and my booking system all runs automatically even when I'm not at my desk. If you're a business owner who's who is tired of juggling too many tools, GrowthUp 365 might be exactly what you need. I will drop the link in my bio. Go check it out. It's $1 USD for 14 days free trial. I'm Tech with Bumi, your AI translator. See you tomorrow, the 7th. Bye for now.